Welcome back everyone. So in this video we're going to be talking about the strategy that took me from absolutely nothing to being able to be trading consistently and seeing consistently profitable months in a row. Everybody talks about fair value gaps and ICT, but people do not understand that the real consistency within the market is with inverse fair value gaps. So the goal is with this video, by the end of the video you will know exactly what an inverse fair value gap is, how to trade it, and how to find high quality inverse fair value gap setups. So we're going to start with something quickly. The first thing is what is a fair value gap? If you don't already know, a fair value gap is a 3-candle formation. As you can see here, we've got this green candle right here. We've got a 3-candle formation. It is the gap between the first wick and the third wick. So as you can see here, this would be a fair value gap. Then you would draw that box out like that. And it's this is a bullish fair value gap. It is exactly the same for a bearish fair value gap. For example, here, the first candle's bottom wick and the third candle's top wick. There is your bearish fair value gap. That is literally, it's as simple as that. There are imbalances in price, where price often returns to test it. As you can see in this instance, prices came down, back up, retested the fair value gap, bounced off of it. This is what a fair value gap is in basic terms. So a fair value gap is used as support or resistance. In this case, it's been used as resistance because we've came up. We're using it as resistance, then we're coming back down. This zone itself is real support and resistance zones. Now, when using inverse fair value gaps, so in terms of fair value gaps, what we would expect this fair value gap to do right here, come back, reject, and come back down. That is typically what you would expect from a fair value gap. But we're not going to try predict that. We're going to wait for price to close through the fair value gap, showing that we're not going to respect it, which it will then turn from resistance into support. So as you can see in this trade, we just raced up after inversing the fair value gap. So let me just clear up. An inverse is when we get a candle close through the fair value gap. So what we think is a support or resistance zone, it's not. It's completely disrespected. We get a candle close through it. Now, so what would sometimes happen is when we have the fair value gap, we expect price to go up, come back down, use it as support, and then bounce back up. However, in this case, we didn't even need that. We've just raced up. And as you can see, we still do come back later and absolutely bounce from the zone and keep pumping upwards. So why are these zones, why are inverse fair value gaps so effective? So when these fair value gaps are inversed, it is often followed by huge momentum in that direction, which is proven right here. It's proven right here. And this is just a couple of examples on the charts right now. This is a really small fair value gap, but it's proven right here. So often we inverse these and we just race in that direction. It also shows that the general order flow of the market is in our favour, because obviously we'd be entering here. If we were truly bearish here, we would expect this bearish fair value gap to be respected and we'd come back down. But we haven't, we've disrespected it, so order flow is clearly bullish. So I'm going to teach you guys how to spot a high quality inverse fair value gap. And by doing that, I'm going to show you this 3-minute trade which I took this week. If you don't believe me, check on my either Instagram or TikTok. I put my executions on here of this trade. But yeah, so what we're going to look at is what makes this an extremely high quality inverse fair value gap setup. The first thing is a sweep on liquidity. As you can see here, we have this extremely obvious low in the market all the way down here. It's a massive wick, it's obvious. And what we do is we sweep this low with a massive reaction. We don't come far below it, we sweep it, and then we start to move in the opposite direction. This is a great sign before a fair value gap's even been inversed. What we're then looking for is a singular fair value gap and clean price action. As you can see, this price action is very clean. We're leaving fair value gaps. We are expanding out of the range. Screen time, you will learn with screen time what is the difference between good price action and bad price action, but you can tell by the volume in these candles, it's very clean. And also the fair value gap is singular, meaning we haven't got two next to each other. Let me see if I can find an example of two next to each other. Yeah, right here. So this would be two fair value gaps next to each other, because we've got them that overlap. This isn't, this is singular. The next thing is displacement. Displacement is huge. As you can see, we've got this massive displacement candle, which is basically huge. Some might know it as an engulfing candle, but it's a massive candle that shows the market wants to go in one direction. We've got this candle, which is the momentum that we need, and it's blasted right through this inverse fair value gap. And as you can see, this trade actually played out in 2 candles. So less than 6 minutes after we entered, it had already hit full take profit. Finally, high quality setups are always at the external sides of the range. For example, if we're looking to take an inverse here, as you can see here, we've not swept the external side of the range, which is like the major highs, major lows at the bottom of the range. We're looking to take this short setup here. Don't get me wrong, it's not horrendous. There's a lot of displacement in this candle, but is this a high quality setup? Not really. Compared to this, it's nowhere near. This has probably got around a 50-60% win rate. This has probably got about an 80-90% win rate, and these are the setups you need to be looking to take to maximize your win rate over a long period of time. So to summarize, inverse fair value gaps are extremely powerful if you make sure you're looking for the high quality ones, you're waiting for a clear and obvious liquidity sweep, you're getting a lot of displacement, and you're following the momentum and order flow of the market. Once you're taking these high quality setups and your entries are precise, your win rate is going to increase absolutely massively. If you do want to learn this strategy properly, it's completely free. You can join my Discord. The link will be in the description. Join the community. You can ask me any questions at any time. I'm going to be starting to live trade soon for completely free, or at least completely free for the first 20 or 30 people. So join up. I'm going to be giving out lifetime live stream access roles in the Discord. If you want to claim them, join up, learn the strategy. It's life changing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more educational content.